7 ways to have your Agwu function at its peak. Agwu in Igbo cosmology is your personal gateway to divine intelligence, intuition, creativity, and spiritual insight. It is your inner oracle, the pattern that governs how you channel wisdom from higher realms into everyday action. But like any connection to higher consciousness, Agwu must be maintained, fine-tuned, and honored. The more aligned you are, the more accurately and powerfully your Agwu functions. So, how do we help your Agwu operate at its peak? Here are 7 powerful ways to awaken and sharpen your Agwu connection. Number 1. Continuously develop your mind. Your mind is the processing center through which Agwu speaks. If it is weak, rigid, or clogged with mental noise, divine intelligence will be distorted or blocked. How to do this? Read deeply and widely. Not just spiritual texts, but also philosophy, history, and science. Practice mental discipline, journaling, memorization, problem solving. Stay curious. A strong mind becomes a clear mirror of Agwu's messages or downloads. Number 2. Ask questions from first principles. Agwu loves clarity. Asking questions from first principles means breaking assumptions down to their core truths rather than copying popular beliefs. Why it matters. This approach helps us assess original insights rather than secondhand dogma. It trains your intuition to think like Agwu from the root and source of things. Try this. Instead of just asking, why is it done this way? Also ask, what is the core purpose of this action? What would I do if I didn't know this tradition existed? Number 3. Practice Agwu Kunye meditation consistently. Agwu Kunye technique is a focused meditation practice aimed at aligning your internal state with your Agwu's frequency and giving intentional room for your Agwu's energy to come to surface in a constructive way. How it works? It opens your inner channel, allowing subtle insights and revelations to rise without effort. How to do it? Sit in stillness, preferably facing east. Use a personal chant or invocation to call on your Agwu. Breathe deeply and allow your mind to settle. Continue to repeat conscious breathing in and out slowly. Then, listen. End with gratitude. Do this daily if possible. Even 5 minutes a day can transform how clearly you receive guidance. Number 4. Develop healthy sleep habits for dream clarity and brain health. Agwu also communicates through dreams, and poor sleep weakens your ability to receive those messages. Tips for better sleep. Avoid heavy meals and screens 2 or 3 hours before bed. Create a bedtime ritual, night bath, herbal tea, meditation, or light journaling. Keep a dream journal by your bed. A well-rested brain is a powerful antenna. Your Agwu will thank you for it. Number 5. Maintain an organic, clean diet. Your body is the vessel through which Agwu flows. If it's clogged with toxins or unnatural substances, your perception and intuition become muffled. Some guidelines. Eat whole organic foods whenever possible. Hydrate well. Water is a key spiritual conductor. Avoid processed sugar, artificial additives, and chemically preserved foods as much as possible. Think of your body as a sacred altar. Keep it clean, and living energy will flow through it. Number 6. Cultivate your Omumu energy. Omumu is your creative, reproductive, and birthing force, not just biologically, but spiritually and mentally. Some activities that boost Omumu energy. Engage in art, music, writing, or craft. Spend time in nature and observe life cycles. Practice sacred sexuality with reference and intention. When your Omumu is strong, you birth visions into reality. Agwu responds to that co-creative force. Number 7. Uphold your personal Nso and align with Nsoana. Your Nso is your personal code of sacred taboos and boundaries. Nsoana refers to the moral and spiritual codes of the land of nature. Why this is essential? Agwu operates on a frequency of spiritual order. When you dishonor your Nso, you disrupt that order, and your Agwu may withhold or become chaotic. Some action steps. Reflect on what actions, behaviors, or environments feel off or draining to your spirit and avoid them. Recommit to values like truthfulness, gratitude, moderation, and humility. Stay away from spiritual shortcuts or dishonorable practices. Living in alignment invites your Agwu to trust and work with you. To sum it up, Agwu doesn't need perfection. It needs presence, alignment, and consistency. When you make daily choices to honor your body, your thoughts, your values, and your creativity, you invite your Agwu to operate in its highest level. Peak Agwu function means you're more intuitive, creatively inspired, spiritually protected, emotionally grounded, and aligned with your purpose. Start with one practice. Commit to it. Then layer others gradually. Over time, you'd feel your Agwu as a living force walking beside you. Thank you for listening. If this teaching sparked a thought or made you feel something, I'd love to hear it. Drop your comments below. If you enjoyed this, feel free to share it to someone who you think will appreciate it as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss new releases. You can also check out the full written piece on the website linked in the description below. Until next time, Yagazie.